one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Plot to sideline Chiwenga exposed as Mnangagwa convenes emergency Politburo meeting. The 27th of August 2025. Spread the love by Nkobani and Dilavu Newsday. President Emerson Mnangagwa is today expected to chair an emergency Politburo meeting in Harare amid fresh tensions over the succession battle within ZANU-PF. As Vice President Constantino Chiwenga remains out of the country on a state visit to India. Insiders say the meeting has been hastily arranged to fast-track the elevation of controversial businessman KUTYA Tagwari into the ruling party's central committee, an appointment Chiwenga reportedly blocked at an earlier session, citing procedural irregularities. Tagwari, a close ally of Mnangagwa, has been touted by the so-called ZVAITWA faction as the preferred successor to the 82-year-old president. His co-option into the powerful Central Committee was recently endorsed by the Harare Provincial Executive under Godwill's Massamayambwa. Despite sharp divisions in the party, today's meeting is a litmus test for the succession race. The timing was deliberate to ensure VP Chiwenga is not there to oppose. A Politburo member told Newsday the developments follow a weekend of political maneuvering, with loyalists said to be plotting during a strategic retreat in Japan after Mnangagwa's Madagascar trip for the Sadc handover. They came back with a new playbook. What we are witnessing is Phase 1, capturing the party's structures for Tagwari, a source added. Mnangagwa's loyalists are also pushing for him to extend his leadership until 2030 to pave way for Tagwari's rise, a move seen as sidelining Chiwenga, who for years was regarded as the natural successor, after leading the 2017 coup that toppled Robert Mugabe. Meanwhile, critics say Tagwari's controversial Land Tenure Implementation Committee, which promises title deeds and $6,000 interest-free loans to farmers, is a predatory scheme that forces beneficiaries into overpriced irrigation kit purchases. War veterans have since approached the courts to block the program. Justice Minister ZVAITWA has publicly declared that Mnangagwa would rule until Jesus comes, further stoking tensions in the ruling party. Political analysts warn that the unfolding wrangle could deepen factional divides ahead of the ZANU-PF Congress in 2027.